Hey guys and girls, here's a little tip that might help you guys out. We take and we will clean these joints out, because if you don't, this is what they sound like before you do. And then once we get them all cleaned out, they run a lot smoother. You can see all the garbage that's inside those joints before we get in there and we start taking these things. It's basically slag from when they ultrasonic weld these together. These are actually probably resin, so they're probably just cast. I'm not sure exactly, but there's joints in there, so these are probably injected, but I'm not sure if you can see the garbage that's down inside there. We also chamfer the joint here and here so that it's capable of running really smooth, whether this is up towards the top of the joint or down towards the bottom. Either way, they run really nice and smooth. And we do that on the larger ones too. This one hasn't been done yet. But yeah, that just kind of helps out. We do it to all of our baits. We try and stand out a little bit more than the other people do and give you quality stuff. When you're throwing it, you can be confident that it's going to work each time you throw it out there. Run smooth.